अस्सलामुअलैकुम। क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आइए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने पेपर की तरफ बढ़ते। The British Indian government announced the partition of Bengal 1905 because of administrative requirements. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the Indian National Congress due to non-cooperation movement. Which of the following leaders had convinced Quaid-e-Azam to join All India Muslim League? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Pakistan National Movement was launched from England in 1933 by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The Central Part of Government of India Act 1935 was not enforced because of required number of princely states declined to join the Indian Union. The founder of Indian National Congress was A.O. Hume. Largest princely state by area at the time of partition was Hyderabad, Deccan. Central National Muhammadan Association was founded in 1877 by Sayyid Amir Ali. The constitution of All India Muslim League was drafted by committee in 1907 headed by. Right answer is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Which amendment was proposed by Quaid-e-Azam in the Nehru Report 1928 to make it acceptable to Indian Muslims? Residuary power should be given to the provinces. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar has started publishing his famous English newspaper Comrade in 1911 from which city? The answer is Kolkata. Liaquat Ali Khan joined All India Muslim League as member in 1923. What was the significance of 21st annual session of All India Muslim League? The right answer is Allama Iqbal delivered Allahabad address. Which of the following leader helped Quaid-e-Azam in the preparation of his 14-point in 1929? The right answer is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Under Gandhi-Irwin Pact 1931 March, it was decided by the Congress will call off its civil disobedience movement. The Government of India Act 1935 divided the country into 11 provinces. In the provincial election of 1937, All India Muslim League won the largest number of seats in the UP, United Provinces. The Indian Muslim observed Day of Deliverance after the resignation of Congress ministries on 22nd December 1939. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali first used the word Pakistan in his pamphlet Now or Never in 1933. Identify the Secretary of State for India who led the cabinet mission in 1946. Lord Patrick Lawrence. Muhtarama Fatima Ali Jinnah joined All India Muslim League in 1937. Lahore Resolution of 23rd March 1940 was seconded from Sindh province by Abdullah Harun. Congress launched Quit India movement against the British government in. The right answer is 1942. Gandhi-Jinnah talks were held in 1944 to discuss the CR formula prepared by. The right answer is Raj Gopal Acharya. Who presided over the Shimla Conference in 1945? Lord Wavell. After Sir Agha, next president of All India Muslim League was Raja Sahib of Mahmudabad. The Hindu had launched Swadeshi movement to boycott English-made goods in the wake of partition of Bengal 1905. The Pirpur report on the brutalities on the Congress ministries was compiled by. The right answer is Raja Muhammad Mehdi. The British Parliament passed Indian Independence Act on. The right answer of this question is July 14, 1947. Who among the following leader has translated the Lahore Resolution from English to Urdu on 23rd March 1940? Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Quaid-e-Azam met M.K. Gandhi for the first time 1916 at Lucknow. Identify the viceroy who made August offer in 1940. The right answer is Lord Linlithgow. Kanpur Mosque tragedy had taken place in 1913. Quaid-e-Azam surrendered the most cherished demand of Indian Muslims separate electorate system under the Delhi Proposal 1927. The next question is Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League as a member in 1930 at Bombay. The next question is The Politics is considered as the first book on the art of government. Identify the author. The right answer is Aristotle. Thomas Cup is the given for the game of badminton. So the right answer is badminton. The Nobel Prize for Peace is given in the city of Oslo. It is also the capital of Norway. Which is the largest gland in human body? The right answer is liver. Who is the founder of Scout movement? The right answer is Robert Baden-Powell. The first Pakistani who became the judge of International Court of Justice was Sir Zafarullah Khan Sahib. The United Nations Security Council consists of how many members? The right answer is 15 members. The Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Pakistani has recently been elected non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council for seventh time. What do you understand by the term of curb in foreign currency dealing? The right answer is the exchange rate of currencies in open market. ITR TRAS is news agency of. It is news agency of Russia. Ariana is an airline. The right answer of this question is Afghanistan. Pakistan highest mountain peak K2 is located in which mountain range? The right answer of this question is Karakoram range. Identify the highest non-operational award of Pakistan Armed Forces. The right answer is Sitara-e-Basalat. The study or science of population is called. The answer of this question is demography.